Hello everyone, this is me, and the sun is finally out in the United Kingdom. It has been so long since I made the last video, probably around 4 to 5 months, and since then I've gained 8 to 9,000 followers, subscribers. So every single one of you, thank you very much and welcome. And that's all about me. This video is about Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Right, welcome back. This has been almost 1 month since the unboxing part of the video, and for the last 1 month I've been using this device as my primary. So yes, I do have some comments. Now this is a 6.9-inch display with the dimension of 6.41 by 3.06 by 0.33 inch, which is 8.3 millimeters thick and it weighs around 290 grams. So yes, this is an ultra device. Now design is subjective, right? Some people like flat displays, some people don't. I personally prefer curved displays. I feel like they give more of a premium vibe, but saying that, it's not a bad experience. This is a flat display with very smooth curves on all sides, as in the back of the phone, so it doesn't poke into your hand, but yeah, you can feel the bulk of it because it is, after all, a 219 grams phone, and the camera bump is heavy, so it is very top heavy. When you use it with your one hand, you feel the weight. And if you have the habit of using your phone like this, yeah, this is gonna get worse very soon. Coming back, literally back of the actual device, the camera bump, there is no chance you're going to ignore the camera bump because it is on your face and it is huge, and it is not at the natural resting point of your index finger. So when you hold it, where's my phone anyway, when you hold it, you will smudge up the camera, as in the ultra wide lens and the main sensor, which I think is the most used lens anyway. So I don't know what they thought about the design of the placements of the camera lenses, because it does affect your day-to-day life. You can hold the phone properly, because I've now started holding the device with just this. I don't know how ideal that is. It feels like they've just slapped the previous generation camera module into this one, and it feels a little bit forced because how it is laid out, because one of the circle on the top is missing, and I don't know what it has, maybe some sensors, I'm not sure, but it just feels wrong. And I feel like they had enough space on top. I don't know totally, but it just looks like they had enough space to put the lenses a little bit top so that my finger wouldn't cover it. While I do rant about the camera module, I am not even slightly complaining about the camera performance. Like, what it does achieve is just amazing quality. Like, take any pictures with the lens, it just comes out so beautiful, and you forget about anything else and everything else. Normally when I do this camera review, camera modules or whatever, I put up some simple pictures and same pictures again and again, testing all the lens and everything. But this is a different camera, this is something different, right? I'm gonna just display some of the best pictures. Well, best as in not, oh, it's really good, I'm gonna take the best picture and upload it. No, just some really simple shots which turned out so good without any effort. About the video camera, could they have improved it? Yes, but again, I'm not complaining. I mean, it is an ultra device after all, so I can record like I am recording right now, 4K 60 fps on the front camera. You can do the same on the back camera, all three lenses. You can shoot 8K images, 8K images as in 8K videos. When you're recording with normal mode, you can change lenses while recording. So every simple functionality that you need, you have. But one thing about Android zoom lenses that I have while recording is that the animation of zooming is just very crooked. and I have a bee somewhere around me anyway. So it does feel like it is like jumping around the frames when trying to capture. Other than that, I have zero complaints. Like when you shoot anything with the dedicated zoom lenses, the natural depth that it gets is just so amazing. You can, and I promise, shoot a movie with it at some point. While saying that, do I still have a complaint that I don't think it needed the whole periscope physical zoom thing, because the actual zoom distance is just so minimal. It doesn't create any day-to-day changes, and it does struggle with the entire dynamic range thing. So I won't say struggle, the sun is literally on my face, so it tries to get my face in focus, and when I just go back, it just keeps the sky, makes the sky blue again. It literally rattles when you shake your phone. Right, I don't think I'm forgetting anything else, and if I am, I'll either add different sections of this video or just I'm sorry, I guess. This is it. This is 17 Ultra, and this is me. I will see you on the next one.